Okay, you guys, see how big there's Charlie. Our bottle babies have gotten. Diamond is the one that wouldn't take the bottle. The one doe raised her for a little bit and then she was done. She is doing well, but I think, hi Diamond, I think it's stunted her growth a little bit. But you're still beautiful, aren't you? Yes. And she takes a bottle now, you know, now that they're almost done with bottles. And this one over here, hi Rocco. That's my Roxy that I lost. That's her baby. So see how well he's done. And then if you've been with me for a while, you guys know Josie and Carla and Charlie. Carla and Charlie are twins, but Charlie is the piebald. And they're not raising their heads up, are they, Diamond? They're being rude. There's Charlie. And then the other girls are right there. Diamond's sister Pearl, JoJo, and Christine. Hi, Charlie. I'll see you in a little bit. I'll see you in a little bit, baby. Hi, Diamond. Such good babies. No, don't smudge my camera. You're as silly as your daddy was. And there's the babies. See how big they are? And of course, Tommy. Rosie is up in the big pen because she is a mean, mean, mean hen. She wasn't letting Tommy strut or anything. She was doing the strutting. So Jack had to clip her hand, and I'm afraid that's not even going to help because she was trying to peck at the big deer. Hi, ladies. Laying there chewing your cud. Where's Alex? Jack really wanted to do this with me, but he's in the middle of his collecting. What in the world? He's in the middle of his collecting time for selling his deer scent. Okay, so I'm going to go up on top. I don't think anybody's down. Oh, here comes, I think it's Precious. She's been so sick. We almost lost her. So many fawns were feeding off of her. And then she got depressed because somebody bought one of her fawns. She still kept feeding other fawns, and I thought I was going to lose her. I was so upset. But Playboy, our yearling buck, is in here. And he was bottle raised last year. And he came after me the other night. And then last night, Jack had one of his friends here to help him carry a doe down to put her in the barn so we could collect from her. And thank goodness he had the stretcher because Loverboy went after, well, and he's not being aggressive. He does not realize what's going on because he's so young, and he put his horns through the stretcher. You know, he's big up in Homeland Security, and he comes here to help with the deer and almost gets hurt. Jeez. So I have my ball bat just in case. I don't foresee any issues today, but you just never know. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's only a yearling. And he was bottle raised last year. Yeah, and she looks better. Don't you, my girl? You can't let all those babies do that to you. You're too old. There's Alex. He was after something. What you got, Alex? He is the funniest cat I've ever seen in my life. Hi, Alex. Hi. Are you playing with the deer? Are you learning reindeer games? Are you learning reindeer games? Okay, I'm going up on the top. Are you going with me? Come on, let's go. Hi, Precious. You do look better, baby. You look much better. And when they changed their coat out, see how her coat's half changed? See the summer coat still towards, wait a minute, I gotta see where the buck is. Okay. The summer coat's still toward the bottom and her winter coat's the brown. That takes a lot out of them. I'm glad you're going with me, Alex. Hi, buddy. You're such a good boy. Don't make me fall, Alex. That's a nasty fall. Please don't make me. I think I've only been up in this pen 3 times since I lost Roxy. What are you doing? You want a tummy rub. You want a tummy rub and you want to attack me. Ah, the kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, baby. Hi, Decibel. Come here, sweetheart. Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay? I know you're a good girl. She was bottle raised last year with Loverboy. Okay, Jack redid all this. He's got to put new board up. There's Prince. He's got to get that divider up before Red hits. Right here is Titan, our beautiful 2-year-old. He's not as beautiful as his daddy was, but he's beautiful. Aren't you, buddy? Yes, you are. And he's got Lacey right between those trees. Right there. Izzy, you sure are pretty. Aren't ya? Wanted to secure that gate. The last thing I need is for those 2 boys to get together. Hi, Decibel. You're going to go with us? We're going to go out this way. Now some of the fawns are already in their new homes. There's a baby. Not really a baby anymore. Are ya? Hi, babies. All the fawns are in the barn. There's Rocket. Hi, Rocket. Look at his little buttons. Can you see him? Those eyes. What do you think, handsome? He's getting his winter coat in. Hi, sweet boy. Hi, sweet boy. How are you? Don't get scared. That kitty's right around the corner. And this, Jack couldn't think of a name for him for a long time. He is a half-brother to that big yearling buck. So his name is Primetime. Huh, buddy? Yeah, you gonna be nice? I don't have any apples right now. I'm sorry. I really am sorry. I really am. You're a nice boy. That's Lilybug. She's going to take off with her friends. Come on, buddy. That's it. Look at him. Alex will play with him, and believe it or not, he does that with Jack and I, and he does not use his claws at all. He just taps them and then runs. Even when I'm tickling him and he plays, he doesn't bite me. Whoa! Look at his tail up. Oh no. He went in that between those 2 logs. Oh, that's, oh my goodness. That's Scarlet's 2 right there. There's Scarlet. Those two girls that were just playing with the cat, they're her babies. There's a little squirrel. I have Jag and Diva in the Jag. Hi, baby boy. Where's Diva? Diva. Diva. There's Diva. Hi, Diva. Hi, baby. Are you running and playing? Huh? Are you running? You can see Jag's tail right there. There he is. Precious. I just saw her little head pop up. Hi, pretty girl. I wanted you to see how pretty her feathers were, but I don't think she's going to hold still. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, you want to say bye? Say bye, Jojo. Say bye. I'll see you later. Everybody else is going to eat.